So good evening, Kritika.
Good evening, sir.
So if you have homework, you can show it. Good evening, Mukund.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Okay, I'm seeing the homework from Kritika. It is very good, very good. There is good colors, with a little bit of magenta and red. I see. The bird is perfect, perfectly done. The beak is good. The boatman also very good. Okay, so everything is good.
Thank you, sir.
The reflectionல வந்து white space விட்டுருக்கீங்க. The lifting பண்ணா நல்லா இருக்கும் actually.
Okay, sir.
Sunோட reflectionக்கு வந்து you have to apply white first, then after that yellow and other colors, then scrap பண்ணி lifting பண்ணா the horizontal lines வரும். That will look good. Okay, good work. So good work. Okay, hi Siddharth. Siddharth has joined now. So Mukund or Siddharth, do you have anything to show? Your homework?
Sir, I was actually traveling, so I finished the work you did in class, but I did not
Okay.
finish the homework.
Okay. Fine, okay. Once
Hi,
you
sir.
you can share it with me. Okay. Hi, Madhu.
So, what are we doing today?
You will see just a field. So I'm trying to see the homeworks, what you have done. So do you have any homework to show? Madhu, Sriram. At least you can respond that you don't have, or you will do later. Yes, Sriram. Super. நல்லா இருக்கே. Very good. So on the bird கீழ வந்து more darker colors can come. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I like the boat man. Okay.
Yes,
Good work.
sir.
Super.
Thanks, sir.
Okay, welcome. Sure. Okay, let's get started. So others are not responding.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Shivani. Is it any homework you can show, Shivani?
Okay, sir.
Okay, very beautiful. Clean work, very nicely done. So I like the green, those leaves, the bird shape also very good. The cloud also good. The scrapping you have done for the reflection of the sun, that is also very good. Okay, everything is good. The boatman, so boatman has a stick, right? So you can do shading, reflection for that stick also, then that will be more better. So you have done very good work. Okay, good work. Oh, this also you have done. Okay, very nice. Some small issue with the shape of the deer, but it's all right. I like a lot of birds. So birds reflection also very nice. Tree with all the leaves, it is looking very good. Good work.
Thank you, sir.
In the small grasses you have done, so the reflection for the grass also you have to do. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, good work. Fantastic. Okay, so let's get started for today's work. So today, so last time kind of we did it for the friendly colors. So today we are going to do all the colors we are going to use it. So here is my okay. Okay, so I am just simply drawing a line. You don't have to draw this line. I'm just drawing the line in the masking tape because the background also white. So maybe it is tough for you to see the boundary. So for that, so I'm just making this line. You don't have to do this. Okay, I'm simply making a line so that you can see the boundary. Because my background also is lighter color. Okay, so so just little above middle. This is a field actually. Okay, the field that we are going to draw. So this is the middle, little above middle, very little above middle. I'm trying to draw a line. So I'm trying to draw a horizontal line. So this Thursday we have an additional class. We have a class for those who complete all the courses. So they attend the Thursday class. So we do one class we do sketching, another class we do oil pastels, then watercolor, then acrylic and all. So this Thursday, coming Thursday, we are going to do color pencils. So you are welcome to join, free to join this Thursday class. Okay. Okay.
Sir, is it tomorrow?
When is the
Tomorrow?
Thursday? Yeah, Thursday means tomorrow only.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so here I'm going to draw, there is going to be a bush coming here. But tomorrow it's going to be color pencils with the color pencils, okay?
Okay, I already have that.
Okay, so I'm trying to draw another bush here. Another bush here. I'm going to draw the field. Field. It's going to be a nice curve. Okay, the curve is going to come like this. Look at this cross line. I'm just keeping it here. This is going to come like this. And it's going to be another line like this. So that is all. So these are the lines we have. So you can erase it and make these lines proper. So after doing everything proper, then we can erase it 50%. These lines we can erase it. So let me know once you complete these lines.
Done, sir.
Okay, Mukund.
Done, sir.
Okay, Siddharth.
Sir, I am also, sir.
Okay, okay, Sriram.
I also finished.
Very good, very good. Okay. So,
Done.
okay. So now I'm going to erase the lines because this will create a problem with the oil pastels. But I don't erase this 100%. I erase 50%. So even after erasing, you should be able to see the lines a little bit. So this is what we do every time. Okay, so I've erased. Let's do the bush first. So the top will do, then we'll come down to the bottom. So I'm going to use this light green. So this light green I'm going to use. This dark green also I'm going to use. Okay. So the light green, it is like sap green. So we call. So this light green, I can do the base. Okay. So this light green, sap green, I do the base coloring. Okay, so after that we can do the cloud. So I want to do the cloud also here. We are doing cloud also today. Okay, so this is one area and here is another area. So I forgot to share. So after the class, I'll share. So last there was a last Thursday there was a doodling class actually. Okay, so in that sketching class, so I was talking about doodling, and I will share the class video. And if you are interested, you can go through the video. Okay, so this is what the doodling I did in the class. Okay, doing this doodling is very easy. Okay, so I want you also to know it because you have completed sketching. So in the pencil, I do it. So major, there's a major bird flying, and there is a whale, there is a book. So all that I draw. Then after that, I fill it with some designs. So the class video, I will share it. You can go through it if you are interested. There is another homework video also. I've done this. Okay, so this also you can go through it if interested. These two videos I'll share after the class. Okay, so now I have done this light green and dark green. So light green only I've done. So I will make the base. Then after that, I'll use the green. So now I'm going to use the tissue paper. So I'm going to use the tissue paper and make this area flat. Okay, so I'm folding multiple folds. So we are setting the background color like this. I filled it. So this is the base color we are setting. Okay, so once you do this, then you can take the dark green and you can start making these. Look at these grass, they are kind of grass. So you can make these lines. So I do not make it till top. So I make it till this point. But in the bottom, I'm going to fill it completely. So I'll do the same in the other side also. Okay, I saw the message from Mukund now only. Mukund, you can generally ask for masking tape, and there are different brands. Okay, I have something. This in another shop. I bought this full bunch. Right, this is a masking tape. Looks like this. So it's a 1-inch masking tape. I got it. So this also very good. Okay, so it is like this. Right. Okay. It is written ABRO something. So ask for masking tape. That is all actually. Okay. Okay. So after making these lines, so I want to make them soft. Okay. So I again use the tissue paper, but this time I'm not pressing hard and blending it. I'm not blending it completely. So look at this. I'm kind of doing some massage. Okay. But so it is like, so making the top end soft. So in the bottom also it is kind of, it is filling the whole area. So later, if I do the scrapping, the background will be seen, which will be the lighter in color. So I'm kind of trying to do some massage. So soft blending. You don't have to press very hard. Don't press very hard. Just do some blending like this. So here also I do such blending. I'm not pressing very hard. Because I want these lines to be seen. I don't want to lose the lines.
Sir, is this okay?
Yeah, that is fine, Mukund. That's all right. So I'll see from all of you in a while. Now I'm taking violet color actually, right? It's a purple color or violet color. Okay, so that I'm going to apply only for the bottom area. So the bottom area, we want to make it dark. So I'm applying this purple color in the bottom area. So the purple plus the dark green. So this makes it more darker. So this is what I want. So I applied this purple color in the bottom like this. So from this also some lines you can make it like this. Applied purple color. In both sides, I've done this purple color now. So there are two things I'm going to make. After applying the purple color, I already have the dark green. So I'm going to apply on top of that. So that the purple gets nicely blended. I mean, the purple will lose its purple color actually. So on top of this purple, I'm just applying this dark green again. So we wanted purple only for to make it darker. So it made it dark. On top of the purple, I'm applying the green again. Making these lines with the green, dark green again. So on top of purple, I'm just doing this dark green again. Then we can do the scrapping. Scrapping to create, look at this. I'm just scrapping, so it will look like the fresh greens. So see the scrapping I do. The first color what we applied, the green, so that is seen now. So I use my kitchen spoon. For me, this works out very well. So you need to try out different tools and find out yourself, so which is working good for you. So if you like to show me, you can show me. Let's see how you have done. After that, we are going to make a cloud and the sky we are going to do. So I'm seeing from Mukund. Okay, Mukund, the bottom area is really dark. So did you apply the dark green after that? After applying the purple? Okay, okay, fine. Okay, looks good. I'm seeing from Shivani. Okay, Shivani, I'm seeing a little bit of yellow also. So is it, did you apply yellow or it's a sap green alone giving this effect?
The green, sir.
Green only. Okay, okay, fine, fine. Looks good, looks good. Looks very good. Okay. I'm seeing from Madhu now. Okay, Madhu, nicely done. Good work. Good work. Looks good. Okay, I'm seeing from Sriram. Okay, Sriram. Sriram, so மேல இந்த lines நம்ம போட்டிருக்கோம். So அதுக்கு மேல வந்து you can use the tissue paper. Tissue paper which is soft வந்து நீங்க பண்ணா, so in the top it will look very soft.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I see hard lines in the top. So you can make it soft actually using a tissue paper. Okay. Okay, I'm going to see from Siddharth. Okay, Siddharth, perfect. Nalla irukku. Very good, Siddharth. Looks good. Okay, Kritika. Okay, Kritika is nice. Looks good, Kritika. Okay, Sriram. Okay, Sriram. Nice. Fine. Yeah. Sir, okay. So now we can make the sky and some cloud. So see, I have my white is very small. So I'm going to apply this white because this area I'm going to make the cloud. So we'll work on clouds reflection also. In the water, there is going to be a reflection. Okay, so I'm going to have the cloud here. I'm applying white now. So you will not see because I'm applying white. I'm just applying white, a bit of white here at this place. So observe this. After applying white, this is sky blue. Light blue I'm trying to apply here. First I start I start making the cloud. So I just start making this cloud. This is the cloud I'm making. Okay, once I make this cloud, then the rest of the area I can just fill it. So around the cloud also, carefully I need to fill it.
Sir, I'm so sorry, but I did not see where you put the white.
So I can't repeat it.
No, no,
So,
just tell. Did you put it inside the cloud or outside?
yeah, in this area, you put it generally. Okay. There is no, because we have not yet defined the cloud. So in this area, simply apply white. Okay. Then after that, define the cloud with this shape.
Okay.
And fill this area of the sky slowly. So I applied white because some gray, I'm going to put it in the bottom, and some depth we will be giving for the cloud. So for blending, so if we apply white already, then that is going to make the job very easy for blending. Now I'm trying to use the earbud to blend the area around the cloud, because we want to maintain the sharp edge of the cloud. So I'm using earbud. So you can use earbud for the area around the cloud. So after that, maybe you can use tissue paper, but you can think about using the earbud for the whole sky. So for this area around the cloud, I have used the earbud. And for rest of the area, I can use the tissue paper. And do not leave the gap between the bush and the sky. So you can apply the tissue paper at that in that area also. So now I'm taking a gray. Okay, this gray I'm going to apply for the cloud. So cloud already we have applied white, and in the bottom of the cloud, okay, in the bottom of the cloud, so I'm applying, look at this, I'm applying some gray. Okay, I just applied some
Sir, I
gray.
don't have gray.
So I don't know, maybe light blue you can apply. Apply some light blue. Then after that, so I applied some gray like this. Then I'm going to take the white and apply white over that. So when I apply white over that, it is going to blend. Okay, so I'm just applying this. So finally we got the depth for the cloud. That's how we got the depth. And also we can use the dark green and add uh, some more bush lines of the bush in the bottom. So in between these two areas, right? So you can you can apply this dark green. Okay, so the dark green that will look very subtle. It will not be very prominent. So we want that only. So I've applied with the dark green. Okay, so dark green, so you can apply. Okay, so this is good enough. Once you complete, you can show me. Then we'll start with the lower things in this field. For the lower things, move to yellow and orange, red, all that we are going to use. Okay, I'm seeing from Sriram. Okay, nice Sriram. Okay, நல்லா இருக்கு. Good, looks good Sriram.
Thanks, sir.
Okay, I'm seeing from Mukund. So Mukund also nice, very nice Mukund.
Thanks, sir.
Seeing from Siddharth. Siddharth in a cloud ரொம்ப சின்னதாயிருச்சு. Okay, that is all right. But nicely done. Looks good, Siddharth. Okay, seeing from Madhu. Okay, Madhu. Okay, looks good, Madhu. So light blue you have applied for the cloud, right? Okay, fine. Looks good. Yeah. I'm seeing from Shivani. Okay, perfect. Looks very beautiful. Very beautiful. Like the depth for the cloud also very nice. I'm seeing from Kritika. Kritika also very nice. Perfect. Neatly done. Okay. Okay, fantastic. Fantastic, fantastic. So now, so let's do the bottom one. So okay, for the bottom one, so I'm going to pick this color, which is lemon yellow. You can use any other yellow also, but this will be better, right? So this is lemon yellow. So this lemon yellow I'm going to apply for both the field in the right and field in the left. First, with this we are going to create this base color. Okay. Okay, so I'm just applying this. Just fill it, and then using the tissue paper you can make the background color. Okay, I have filled it now. And using the tissue paper to blend it and make the perfect background settings. So what you have to understand is we are starting from the light color, then going to the darker and darker colors. In the watercolor also, we'll be doing the same, starting with the light color and going to the darker colors. So hope you had your energy drink today. So I told you that you have to do it because mostly you'll be doing blending, you have to press hard, so you'll get tired. Okay, hope you're done. So next we need light brown. Then I need this orange color. Dark brown also needed, but we will use later. First, I'm going to start. We need this orange color and this light brown. So with the light brown, we can start giving this. Start making the grass-like these grass-like lines. So here I'm trying to make some smaller line. Then the size of the line increases. So I use light brown. Okay. So I use light brown, trying to make these lines. we have to do the same the other side, but maybe so let us focus on this first. The right side we can do, but so I can use the tissue paper and make it soft. So make it soft. So for this, you don't have to press very hard. You can press light. This is the same technique as we did in the top. We are going to do the same technique. The light brown, I have done this line, then I made it soft. Now I am taking dark brown and in the bottom, so I want to make it darker actually, right? Maybe I can draw a line like this. Then I can start making lines of dark brown. Maybe this also we can make it soft. So we want to do this because so later we'll be doing some scrapping also here for the grass like lines. So we are building up these grass lines. So I started with the light brown, then this dark brown also I applied. So we can make it more colorful with the light brown. So that's why we have the orange. That's why I have the orange. So with the orange, I'm going to create many grass-like lines. Look at this. Here I have done all this whole area of the field with the orange color. So not only there, so over this light brown, dark brown we have applied. So over that, I'm applying this orange also.
Sir, I'm not supposed to do it all over the fields orange.
Yeah.
No, I mean like I'm not supposed to just put three dots on the field or all over it.
So I'm showing you how to do it. This gives a feel of the field. Okay, so I'm done, almost done with this field. Maybe in the bottom, I want to make it a little more darker. So that I will do later. Okay, Mukund, looks like you've applied a lot of orange. Okay, fine. Still, we are not yet finished. So I'm going to make a lot of, we are going to do a lot of flowers here actually. Okay, Sriram looks good. So I'll wait for you to complete what we have done now. After that, you must watch how I'm going to do the flowers. Okay, Kritika looks good. Okay, Shivani looks good. So right side field has become a little smaller for you, but that is all right. Fine, looks good. Okay, looks good, Shivani. Okay, Madhu, looks good. Yeah. Okay, so now watch how I'm going to do the flower. Okay, the flower is very easy, but you have to watch. I'm going to take the camera closer and show you. See, I'm going to make the petals. Okay, the petals like I'm having red now. Okay, so for red I have not used. I'm using red now. Look at this. This is one petal. This is one petal. This is another petal. So roughly you can make like this. This is another petal and this is another petal. Maybe three, four petals or five petals of the flower, right? Then after that, this you can use this yellow. Okay, so you can press it in the center and it creates this. Okay, so I want you to observe. Don't do it. Please observe. Uh, then I'm using this pencil and I'm going to define the petals. Look at this. So like this, you can define these petals easily, right? Then this stem also you can make it. This is one petal done. So like this, you can make big and small petals. So I'm going to make other petals. Now you can start doing it. I'm going to make other petals now, big and small. This is more bigger. This here, I'm going to make another bigger one. How about the small ones? Small ones are simply some dots. Like this, you can make smaller ones. So you can keep adding lot of petals and here I'm just making many more like this. Okay, also all of this you can define with the pencil. So you can draw a line for the stem. Maybe I'm going to make these lines for the petals, lines in the bottom. So I'm not going to define complete petal. Just few lines only I'll do. For all the flowers, you can define the stems. So these are some tricky and easier ways in oil pastel. So in the middle also, you can take this yellow and press it so that you can get a little bit of the middle of the flower.
Sir, is it fine?
Looks good, Mukund. Yeah, looks good. So looks good. So in the bottom also, I want to make it darker, some more little more darker. So we use dark brown. So whatever the dark brown you use, you will not. It will be darker, but see, I'm going to use the purple now. Okay, so a little bit of purple. So always in the top also we used purple. So here also I'm just applying some purple, uh, which makes it more darker. So I'm applying some purple. So apply purple. So it made more darker and the whole thing looks better now. Some lines using dark brown. Okay. Now the whole thing we need to do for the other side also. Though there is one more field that also we need to do. Then after that we will do some water reflections of the cloud and all. Okay, so I'm going to start doing for the other side also. For the other side, I'm going to start with this light brown. So here, scrapping also we can do. So I've applied purple and little bit, I made it darker. Now I can do scrapping also. When I do scrapping, we can, this gets better, more realistic. You can see the fine grasses. So in the oil pastel, you kind of plan it. If you want this result, then what color to apply first, then second. Starting with light brown. So you can ask me any questions whenever. So I'm going to repeat the same for the other side. Starting with this light brown, using the pepper. So I'll blend it, make it soft. Then I do the dark brown. Do these lines. So a little bit massaging I'm doing after the dark brown again. Then I do the orange color I'm trying to apply. So I've applied some orange. Okay, so the same thing I'm repeating to the other side. Okay, the bottom I want to make it darker, so taking this purple, little bit of purple I'm applying. Now again, I'm going to make the flowers. So with the red, I'm making the flowers. So you can try the big and small ones. The stems. Okay, so show me once you complete this, then after that we'll make water reflections and all.
Sir, I have done.
Mukund, looks like you've hurried. Slowly you have to do it. So here the lines for these bushes are not very proper, but is okay. So you need to make light brown, then dark brown, then cleanly you have to blend it. All that you have to do it, right? That's okay. So make the flowers also carefully. The whole thing will look very beautiful. Okay, I'm seeing from Shivani. Okay, so looks good, Shivani. So some more blending you can do between the flowers and the dark field, right? So with the maybe with the light brown, so you can light brown or orange, you can make lines. Okay, the flowers and this darker field, they are looking separated. Okay, so you can bring them together by using this light brown. You can, or even orange, any of that. You can make these lines a little bigger. Actually, close. The line can go closer to the flower, then it will look better. Actually, okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Sriram, looks good. Looks good. So with the dark brown again, you can also make some lines, Sriram. So here, okay. So for you also it is looking separate. Actually, it is not connected with the flowers.
Yes,
Okay, with the
sir.
dark brown, you can just make some more lines like this. Okay, I'm seeing from Kritika. Okay, Kritika, nice, nicely done. Looks good. Okay, Siddharth, looks good. Did you do the scrapping, Siddharth? So you can do the scrapping also. See here.
Sir, I did it for the first field, the first one that we
Okay,
did. For that, I did the scrapping. The second one I'm going to do.
fine, fine. Yeah. So when you do the scrapping, it's going to look good. So far, so good. Okay, now it is looking better, Sriram. Okay, looks good.
Thanks, sir.
Okay, welcome.
So give me 1 more minute.
Take it, Madhu. Yeah, now it is looking good, Shivani. So now it is getting connected. Those flowers and the things are connected. Things are connected. The bottom of this can be little more darker, right? So for that darker, you can use this purple color. So little bit of purple, you can touch it. So if it is too much purple, then on top of purple, you can use dark brown again. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
So if these are darker, then that gives a very good depth. So Mukund, okay. Did you do the flowers? The flowers I don't see. I see the flowers in the right side. So the left side also you can the clear area. So in this clear area you can do the flowers. So we can see the flowers. So just do one or two flowers actually here in this area.
Sir, done.
Okay, Madhu. Okay, looks good, looks good. But in the bottom, it has to be more darker actually. So the
Okay.
purple you have to use it. Okay, so you can do it later also. Now probably we can get started with the reflection. Okay, Siddharth looking good. Scrapping you have done, so everything is looking good now. I like the flowers. Okay, so we can start working on the reflection, and the reflection is going to be simple, quite simple. So only thing, one important thing is that the reflection of the cloud. Okay, so that we are planning. It should be exactly, okay, exactly straight the below the cloud. The reflection will come. Okay, so it's a little bit of, so approximately in this area, I'm just a little bit of white I'm trying to apply. A little bit of white I tried to apply. Then after that, this light blue, I'm taking this light blue. So it should be, so I will look for, so you have to straight below that, you have to make it. Okay, and need not be very perfect because reflection always can be very light. So you don't have to do the exact reflection of the replication of the sky, but approximate you can do it. So I'm just loosely, I'm just around this, I'm just loosely applying these lines. Okay, so I do not apply these lines very dark and I will not fill it properly. I loosely applied these lines, that is all. I loosely applied lines because for the reflection, this is what we are doing. I loosely applied, and with the paper, you can try to blend it. When you try to blend it, this, yeah, you don't have to press hard. You press light and try to blend it. So because these lines we can be seen, that will make it look good. Okay, so even after, so slight blending only I've done. You can see these lines. You can see these lines, some gray as usual. I'm trying to now I'm applying the gray in the top, okay, of the cloud. Okay, so I've blended now. Again, I'm going to apply this lines. Okay, the reflection is always lines, some lines. I'm just making few lines with the blue. So now the whole thing looks like a good reflection. Now the reflection of The flowers also we have to make it. So that's more important. Okay, reflection of the flowers and with the. So first I'm going to make these flowers. So now forget about what is there in the reflection. So I'm taking red and trying to mark like this. Look at this. These are the flowers. So I have marked like this. These are the flowers. So need not be perfect. Okay. So then after that, I'm using, this is dark brown. Okay. So I'm using dark brown and making lots of lines. So making these lines. So in the bottom, I'm making lots of lines. So the other side also, I'm trying to make these lines. So with this, we are completing today's work. Also, I'm going to make the cuckoo bird sit here somewhere. Here comes small bird. We can, so right in the cloud. Okay, I'm going to make some two birds flying in the cloud. I made two birds flying in the cloud. So straight below that, in the opposite direction, in the reflection also, I mark those birds. So that definitely will catch attention of the viewer. Okay, so with this pencil, I can sign it. Is 13, 10, 20. Okay, maybe I'll add two more here. And your homework is going to be something like this. Okay, so look at this. So this is going to be your homework. So this is going to be your homework. There is a blue sky and some clouds, those coconut trees. There's a path, and the field has lots of colors. The same way I made the fields and the flowers. Okay, you can check the video and work on this. So in the path, you can add a person also, person or a dog going there. Okay, show
Sir,
me.
can I peel the tape off?
Yeah, we are done. So you can remove it. Okay, show me once you complete. Okay, so Mukund, it is looking very colorful. Okay, nice. But the cloud looks like a little bit shifted to the right. It has to be exact. Okay, so that you have to keep in mind. Okay, looks good. Looks good. Very good. Good work. Okay, I'm seeing from Kritika. Okay, cloud is good. It is exactly below, and I like those birds also. It looks good. Nicely done, Kritika. Good work.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I'm seeing from Shivani. Okay, Shivani, it is looking good. So in the bottom area, you can make it little darker. Okay, otherwise everything is good. Then that will give good depth. Okay, so the bottom of these fields, you need to make it darker. Okay, good work, Shivani.